Well, hello and welcome to day 3 of the Summer Organizing Challenge. And today it is the paper piles. I'm basically going to share with you how you can work through those paper piles. First of all, you need to schedule time, whether you can schedule 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or more. And you just make sure that you just go through them. Just decide. For example, I know this is the new handbook for my insurance. So that is something I want to read because there's certain things that I definitely want to highlight. So I'll put that in a to read pile. This is information about, a candidate for an election that already passed. So that will actually go into a recycle pile. This is a piece of paper with some notes on it that I no longer need. Again, recycle. This is about a guide to a program I completed over a year ago. I no longer need it anymore. It's step-by-step strategies. Recycle. These are a couple of newspapers that I've read. Recycle. See how, you just kind of go through. This is about a reward program for some of the cosmetics that I use, but I really don't need it. Recycle. And that's what I'm hoping that me going through these papers will help you decide, you know what? I really don't need them because 80% of the stuff we keep, we never ever reference again. Now, this is interesting because this is a piece of paper, and I was going through some papers because I was looking at my different certifications about a project management course I took in 2011. Well, it is 2023. And actually, what this is these are all the quizzes and the pre-test and my final exam, which I actually passed. So actually, you know what? I no longer need this because I've got the certificate saying that I passed the course. So actually, I'm just going to shred those. And last but definitely not least in this pile is a winter 2020, yes, winter 2020 visitor's guide. And there's been updates, there's been revisions. So this is something I'm going to recycle as well. As you see, the only thing I'm really keeping is the handbook, and the rest of the stuff is either going to be recycled or shredded. So hopefully that'll give you the motivation and the inspiration you need to tackle your paper piles. So until next time, you have a clutter-free day.